Okay guys, so today we are going to answer two simple questions. The first one is how can you collaborate efficiently on your WordPress post with a large team, and also at the same time how do you communicate effectively when there are so many people involved? Because clearly the secret to a successful team effort is communication, isn't it? Now we've got the perfect tool for this. It's packed with all the exact features a large team requires to achieve more and faster. Okay, so let me show you. So let's pretend you're working on this blog post here and you want to invite some of your team members. All you have to do is click on the Multicollab icon here, and you have the share button. Click on this and now you can invite any of your team members using their email address. All you have to do is click on this. So let's invite David as an example, and then you can set the role, either viewer or commenter. You can even add a message if you wanted to. So for instance, hi Dave, can you help with this article? Thanks. And then you can send the message. And as you can see, the invitation has been sent, and now David will receive an email with the invitation inside. And here is the email that David has received. As you can see, John Doe has invited you, and all he has to do is click on this button here, and he will have access to the blog post without needing any credentials. And now you can start collaborating on this document. So let's say you want to add a comment here related to this section. All you have to do is highlight it and click this button here. And now you can type your message. If you type it straight here, it will be addressed to everyone, or you can tag one person specifically using the @ sign. So for instance, @David. Very good. And now we can type our message. Now we can also assign this to David specifically, in which case he will be responsible for marking it as done. If it's unticked, both of us can mark it as done. Now we can post our comment. And now from David's point of view, he will see your message. All he has to do is click on it and he will be brought immediately to this section. And now David can reply. So for instance, this is my reply. So we can post this. And now we can mark it as done as well once it's resolved. As you can see, we have a checkbox here. All we have to do is tick it, mark it as resolved, yes. And there you go. And then while commenting, you can also attach a file. So as you can see here, I can just add my comment. And here we have this paperclip here. Simply click on it. And now you can upload any file you want. So it could be an image or perhaps a PDF file. So let's upload this PDF file here as an example. And then let's post our comment. And now from David's point of view, he will see your message. All he has to do is click on it. And now you can easily open this file by just clicking on it. And there you go. As you can see, now we have access to a PDF file. And again, this could be an image as well. And then with the suggestion mode, so for this, go to the Multicollab section here, go to the settings and make sure to enable it first. There you go. As you can see, this is confirmed. And now we can suggest some edits. So for instance, in this blog post, if I want to replace this with in this article, I could simply hit the delete key. As you can see, now it's marked off, and I can type just next to it what I'm suggested instead of this text. So for instance, article. And now anyone coming along can either accept the suggestion or reject it. So let's accept the suggestion. And there you go. As you can see, the changes have taken place. Now you can also suggest a different type of edit. So if I was to select the word article here, maybe I want it to be bold and italic. And as you can see, those changes are recorded here. And again, anyone coming along can now accept or reject the suggestion. Now, the beauty of Multicollab is that you have a complete reporting system here by the side. So as you can clearly see, these are all the changes we just made together. So it's easy for anyone tagging along to see exactly what's happening and what's been done. And you can do so from the WordPress dashboard as well. As you can see, you have all the activities here recorded chronologically. And you also have a full reporting system by blog post. And as you can see, you know immediately who's working on what. So this one is an example. Multicollab is fantastic. We know that David and John are working on this together. And obviously, when you work with large teams, you want to be able to manage permissions for administrators, editors, authors, contributors, subscribers, and guests. And you can decide whether or not you want to allow them to add comment, resolve comment, add suggestion, and accept and reject suggestions. And then you can also disable comments and suggestions altogether. And obviously, when working with large teams, you want to be on top of things. So you might be using Slack as a communication device within your company, in which case you can use this as well and link that directly to Multicollab. And when you do so, all your notifications will also be posted on your Slack channel. And as you can see, these are all the different changes that we just made together. And now you can act upon it immediately from here. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Now, if you are interested and would like to try this out for yourself, we offer a 30-day free trial of our Pro plan where you can test all the Multicollab features. So for this, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and this will bring you to this page. And under the Pro heading, simply click on this button here. Now simply enter a few details and that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Pro version of Multicollab for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.